Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up background location updates on Android safely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Android device and navigating to the settings menu. Scroll down and locate the location option. Tap on location to open the location settings. Ensure that location services are enabled by turning on the toggle at the top. Next, return to the main settings menu and select apps or applications. Find and tap on the specific app for which you want to enable background location updates. Once in the app settings, look for the permissions option and select it. Within the permissions menu, locate location and tap on it. You will see different location permission options such as allow all the time, allow only while in use, and deny. Choose allow all the time to enable background location updates. It's essential to consider privacy when using this option. Review the app's privacy policy to understand how your location data will be used. Return to the previous menu and check for any additional settings related to location updates. Some apps may have specific settings for background activity or location tracking. Make sure to enable those settings if available. To further ensure safety, regularly check your app permissions. Go back to the main settings and select Privacy. In the Privacy menu, tap on Permission Manager. Here, you can monitor and manage all apps with location access. If any app seems suspicious, consider revoking its location permissions. To enhance security, regularly update your Android device to the latest version. Updates often include important security features that protect your data. You can also configure location settings to use battery-saving modes. This reduces GPS usage and can extend battery life while still providing updates. Finally, always be cautious when granting background location permissions to apps. Limiting permissions to trusted applications is key for your safety and privacy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.